Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from, well, it was sent from Florida, but this is all stuff from Peru and Brazil. So let's have a look. What do we have here? A lot of, Okay, let's look at everything. Alright, so here are 4 varieties. These hail from Peru. The brand is AJI-NO-MEN, which is made by a company called AJI-NO-MOTO. AJI-NO-MOTO is the company that invented MSG. Next up, 3 of the hot varieties of Ramen. I believe I've had the Mexicano, I'm not sure. I've gotten Brazilian varieties a few times before, so there's a couple mixed in here that I have had, but not many. Next we have a quartet of Nissin Miojo Cremosa varieties. They all come in really neat flavors, like this one's a queso, so a cheese flavor. This one's carne con chili, so I'm guessing it's a spicy meat flavor. And last but not least, 4 more Nissin Ramen. This looks to be their standard line. Wow, this is a pretty expansive set of Peruvian and Brazilian instant noodles in pillow packs. I'm stoked. I can't wait to get going on these. Thank you very much. And hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.